Hey guys, MinXy here. Welcome back to another episode of our Tornado Survival Series. Well, my Tornado Survival Series. Oh, tripping up already. Great start. Oh yeah.
Sorry, I just had to
what I
open
got
my
for today
ep8. How you guys doing?
You know what I got?
With my Swiss Army
Yeah,
knife. It's
fruit
not
snacks.
sponsored.
Ow.
I'm so uncomfortable.
It's fruit snacks.
But welcome to
Okay.
episode 8 of MinXy's Tornado Survival.
35 for me.
Today we are going to be existing.
I have 47 levels. I just grinded.
Holy Jesus. Okay, but today we are going to be just doing some normal stuff. And my intro failed so horribly because I thought the bottle would open perfectly, but it was like tss. That's what I thought was gonna happen.
I have like an end set of protection. I'm just like getting
I
all
did
of this.
almost full protection 4 when I did my end set.
Yes. Yeah. No. Bad. Stop giving me fire protection.
Lamau. Okay, I'm gonna turn you down because your voice. It sounds like you're the one recording.
Ow. That hurt me.
Yeah, well, nobody wants to hear you anyway. I'm just kidding. No. Everybody probably wants to hear you more, to be honest. Diamonds. I'm gonna be real honest. My stream would love to hear you more than me.
That's not true.
Did I say my stream?
Okay, Sonny. You did.
Whoops. I meant my channel. Same thing, to be honest.
Oh my gosh, this is giving me so much XP. I've just been sitting here for a little bit, and I've had a lot of zombies spawn.
Tiptoe through the window.
See, this is why we need a fire system, is because the fire system would help for this a lot, and it would be a one-hit.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. I love that
I hate
system.
to say it, but I kind of want to do a tornado survival. I want to do the fire system like, I want to do it like, yeah.
Oh, emeralds. More emeralds. Holy crap.
Not one was leathered though. Not one of those zombies had armor. So that's upsetting. Ow.
Oh!
So we're gonna do the chestplate next.
How the hell did that just happen?
No, dude, I keep getting fire protection. I have like a max fire protection set. Like,
You
it's not
could
even
fall into lava and live in lava.
I could, dude. It's worth the 10 levels in the end. I have a max set, dude. Max prop 4 set. Oh my god. Fire prop 4. Fire prop 4. Fire prop 3. Oh my god. That is insane. I'm taking that. Actually, no, I'll take it when I go to Nether. What am I gonna do this episode? I think we're gonna strip mine for a little while.
Strip mining is somewhat fun.
Bro, my anvil's about to, like, just die.
Your anvil?
Yeah, my anvil wants to commit sauce.
Commit sauce.
Well, I mean, that's one way of doing things.
I mean, you're not wrong. I have 3 stacks
I'm
and
not
41 iron. Holy. That's why you
Hi.
always grab iron. I'm angry.
You silly ghost.
You just went so muffled there for a second, it's not even funny.
I just silly ghosted him.
Silly ghosted him? I don't even know what that means.
I'm not gonna use... Whoa, I haven't seen... This is a ravine, I have seen this before. I must be really dumb.
What's a ravine?
Something that I apparently don't know.
No.
Yeah, this is my pick. Really?
I almost died. Oh, I
Why
didn't mean
there's
to
so
hit you with
many
my
of them?
pickaxe. If I fall into lava here, I'm going to cry. You know, one time I fell into lava, and I pulled out my bucket of water and placed it above my head, and I got trapped under the obsidian. I'm being serious right now, though. Like, I actually pulled it out.
You must be really special. You have to be Zayden special to do that. Look at my boots, dude.
Put it above me, and it turned into obsidian above me, and I was very upset about that, let's just say.
Ah, nuts. Big ol' nuts. Well, looks like we're going to find a... Do we have any wood? No. Well, looks like we're going back to get our bucket of water, guys.
Water of bucket, you mean?
I guess I forgot my water of bucket. Dude, I legit just forgot my bottle of bucket. How dare I?
I almost jumped down when the water was disappearing. I would have cried.
I would have finessed. Whoa, you spawned here.
What does that mean?
My dude just clobbered me.
Chat, please tell me what finesse means.
Chat?
No, I'm just kidding. What does finesse mean, though?
I need food. Finesse?
Mm-hmm.
To have, like... I don't know, finesse in something.
What? That makes so much sense.
Like to have like smooth. It's like clean.
What? Then you used it in the wrong term. Oh. That's another ravine. Is this one lava ravine though? No, it is not. Just take out my torch. Oh, baby zombie! No, 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 no!
I don't have any food. I'm sad.
Sad starving boy hours.
Literally every depressed profile picture, or every depressed like Twitter profile or like Instagram profile. Sad starving boy hours. We just may have created a new trend then.
Oh no, I'm gonna cry. Every time I get upset, I just go, I am going to cry. Just put an emphasis on everything you say, you'll be fine. Oh, there's a mine shaft over there. You don't say. I didn't know there was an extreme hills near my house.
Food, and I need this bucket. I need a
water of bucket.
1, 2, 3.
Batter of Wacket. Batter of Wacket.
Batter of Wacket. That's a new one. Oh shoot.
Tiptoe through the window in the garden.
Through the woods.
Through your mom's house. Wait, what? Oh, I just water clutched.
Nice.
I haven't water clutched.
Nice.
Hold on. Nice.
Ready?
On it.
That was bad.
Nice.
Nice. I'm way closer to my mic so I can do it better.
I am way closer to my mic than you are. I am like
My
way
mic is
closer.
literally on my head. What do you mean?
On your head. Oh yeah, you're right.
That's my mic.
I forgot you're wearing a headset. I envisioned like my mic just on top of your head. And you've seen my mic before.
Dude, that just like inside that makes me giggle.
Sorry.
Ow. I don't like that.
Nobody does. Why can't I hit you?
My brother just went. He just had a big boy.
Sad water boy hours. Sad lava boy hours.
No, sad bird boy hours. Okay, we need to stop. We need to be stopped.
Who's going to stop us, though? If we don't shut
God.
up, maybe our parents.
Oh, there's a, Oh, mine aren't home. Mine... Oh, no.
Oh. Oh, there's 2 creepers right there! That is so dumb!
Zayden's sad creeper hours. Okay, we need to stop. I keep finding into all of like the granite and those.
You know where we got the sad boy hours thing from, right? We got it from Hayden when he came back after being sick. He said, "Sad, I'm coming back from my sick boy hours."
Yeah, said boy hours is like a huge trend though. Everybody says it. Isn't that right, or am I just tripping?
Mm.
Always mind around your redstone, kids. Aiden, you have the luck right now.
What?
Like, you gave me the luck. Like, you gave me the luck stick.
Wait, what? I did?
Yeah, remember when you said to mine around redstone and it gives you diamonds? Me and Astility did that one episode and it worked so well.
What? I was joking when I said that. Actually, though?
Yeah, no, we found, like, diamonds, like, 3 times of mining around redstone.
Out of how many times? 2,300?
No, out of, like, 6.
What?
If that.
Actually?
Yeah, dude, I'm not even
Holy
kidding.
crap, I might try that myself. Or is he just trying to make me look stupid? Question mark. Just like,
No.
who texted you?
Kyle.
Where's he at? Is
Oops.
he... Did his flight get delayed or canceled?
No, they said that they're leaving at 6. I hope it gets canceled. We spent a whole day to get there if it's so.
Oh, I didn't mean to go down here.
I've strip mined for a fat minute and a.
Minute and a ding ding.
Oh, we're gonna eat breakfast tomorrow with him.
Yeah.
Ooh, I hear sad cave hour.
Sad cave boy hours.
Okay, we need to do stuff. We're gonna get banned.
From what
Wait,
life?
Huh? Shut up. I don't want to talk about it.
Sad band boy hours. Sad
did
minx
not
at the
defend
mall
my
on
girl.
Black Friday boy hours.
Oh, they're here. I think they're home. I was about to say, that scared the crap out of me.
Oh, no.
Bro, I'm not even kidding though, like, I genuinely was going.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Why are there... Stop. Don't do it. Don't play yourself. He didn't even shoot me.
That is upsetting.
That's how quickie boy I was.
Ouch. And why did that skeleton just shoot the ceiling? Sad skeleton boy
Skeletons
hours.
have 0 brain cells.
Yeah, they're literally skeletons. They do not have a brain.
No, really?
I'm upset.
That I just did that?
Yes. Like, you didn't have to do me that hard, dude.
Excuse me?
No. You make me upset sometimes.
Cobbled. Oh yeah, that's our word.
Oh,
That's our
yeah. Get
trademark. We need to
cobbled.
start using it.
Yeah,
We need
it's
to
been
start
a
using it,
while.
'cause it is our word.
Get cobbled, kid.
I hear a minecart. I don't know where the minecart is though.
If there is a minecart rolling through an abandoned mine shaft, we might need a few. We might need a few things answered.
Hero Brine? Question mark? Question mark? Question? Jesus.
Our clickbait titles. Oh my god, I saw Hero Brine in a mine shaft. Click on the video. Totally not clickbait.
Okay, ready? Hero Bino. Or Hero Beyond.
Hero Breen. Hero Brin.
Hero Bine.
I just sat inside that skeleton and he couldn't shoot me. Oh no, that didn't sound
I
right.
really want to see where this is.
Oh, I got a music disc. Cat.
Don't you have that? You have to
No,
waste the
you
fat
have
diamond
that.
to get a jukebox though.
And I have like 40 now.
Weird flex, but okay. Or well, not weird. That's a flex, but okay.
That's a
Stupid zombie
flex,
hit
but
me.
okay.
Of course, I mine right into the gravel.
I'm in a swamp, so I'm really far away. Hold on, I'm just gonna mark this anyways, though. Skelly. Hold on. Bony Boy Farm. Bony Boy Spawner. I totally did not just actually call it Bony Boy Spawner.
Wait, are they like right above?
I'm gonna knock you into that web and make
Oh,
you
right there.
upset. I'm gonna
I'm
kill you
knock
with a
your teeth
shovel.
straight.
Yeah, that's kind of hard to do
I
with
just
Minx.
Aww.
I'm surprised he
Dang
didn't
it.
yell at me for that.
What'd you say?
I said that's kind of hard to do to Minx.
What was the discussion? Dang it!
When you said I'm gonna
genuine.
knock your teeth straight, and I said that's kind of hard to do to Minx.
Oh yeah, 'cause my crooked teeth. Yeah, I know.
Shark.
Dang it, Lich, you didn't-
Sad shark boy teeth hours. Sad dentist boy hours.
I really need water.
Ooh, more emeralds. Under a swamp? That's weird. You can find emeralds under a swamp?
Owie! Owie, don't you dare hit me into that lava, you stupid little
Hold
thing.
on, I have a question. You can find emeralds in a swamp?
Maybe. Maybe like increase the spawn rate for it. Like the spawn biomes. Which would make sense, but you know.
I hope
Oh,
you guys can
I
hear the
have double
game well.
trouble.
Because... gang banged.
I'm getting literally gangbanged. I'm getting shot from behind into the one, and then the other one shoots me back into the one that just shot me in the back.
Oh! Oh!
Literally just got gangbanged.
Just... oh no, he did not.
Ow,
Sad,
creeper just
sad
gangbanged me.
spider boy hours.
Okay, we really need to stop. Okay, so do creepers mine the block like really fast? Because why does it drop into cobblestone? That makes no damn sense.
I just
Sad
imagine.
creeper boy
Why did it? Shut up! I just imagined a creeper with a
It says
pickaxe.
you're the one that's still on about it.
Says you. Oh, I'm gonna
Says
die!
you.
I'm gonna die!
I hope he dies, guys. If you like and comment. I just almost got serious.
Oh, 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 I almost died.
Okay, stop orgasming and tell us what happened.
So, two baby zombies were like right in front of me.
Hold on, whoa. Say that one more time.
Two baby zombies were right in front of me.
This man's just said zombies.
Yeah, that's what they're called. No, it's not, but still, I love calling them zombies.
Zombies.
I'll suck you off.
Wait, what is this?
I don't think he heard me.
I really didn't want.
Bedrock mineshaft. This used to be my profile picture for, or no, my live stream picture for a long time.
I remember that. Yeah, no, I remember that.
That was a long time ago. That was back in December. No, I was on with Hayden, so it was in like February.
I don't get to find diamonds like Zayden does, dude. It's annoying.
Me with my 19 diamonds in my inventory.
Shut up. You're making me sad.
Sad no diamond boy hours.
I say, and you tell me to shut up.
Yeah, shut up.
Zayden, shut your dummy butt up right now. You unclean swine.
I was finna smack you if you would have said it.
Oh, what?
The A word.
The A word.
The A word.
Shut up.
Make me.
I will.
Oh. Wait, not on camera. Not on camera. Diamonds. 1,
Ow, it's
2,
gotta be like right
3,
up. Hold on, give me a second.
4, 5.
Give me a second.
Alright. Why can't I pick it up? I was gonna say, I do not have a stack of diamonds. If I really have 30 at home, I'm going to laugh so hard. I would actually
when your
laugh.
pizza rolls are done, what?
I'm just kidding, no.
You play a dangerous game, my friend.
you like living life on the edge, question mark?
No, my iron! Okay, so... how do we want to do this here? Yes, pick up the lava. Smart. Yes, speed bridge. Very, very smart.
Anyways,
Oh my god, Zin, you need to say excuse me.
excuseth
Yeah,
thy.
Oh, why is it-
Excuseth thy. Oh my god. Tell me why This man's, right before I was about to eat Thanksgiving dinner, sent me a message saying religion in 3, 2, 1, and then said a whole prayer.
I do that because it's religion.
Not saying anything against you. I mean, I pray before I eat on Thanksgiving, not any other time else.
Not any other time else.
I'm gonna get my cheeks clapped in the comments.
You don't pray on Christmas?
I pray on Christmas, Christmas, same thing. I am going to get my cheeks clapped and thrown at the wall at full force in the comments. Did I say in the wall? I really hope I didn't say in the wall because that'd be kind of uncomfortable.
Of course the creeper would blow up because he's just, you know, uncultured. Why have I been to every cave I've mined into? Like, this is quite annoying.
That's what I did before. I think last episode or something. I was annoyed. Holy crap,
Bro,
we're at 21 minutes.
Sad mine hours. Uh-oh, Zayden's getting to his peak, guys.
Yeah, I really am.
Is it bedtime for Zay?
No, oh my god, I said 21 minutes in the episode, not 21 minutes in real life, idiot.
Oh, I thought you meant in real life.
This spider actually gets stuck on the ceiling? Like, actually? You are an idiot. Oh, that was the scariest thing ever. That zombie fading through a spider web to come kill me was scary. I do not like that. I do not consent to that.
I kind of want to. I wish I could teleport to Zayden just so I could kill him, just so he could be like, "What? What killed me?" With like a random potion. That'd be so funny. That'd be priceless.
You shouldn't have said it out loud, but I have 27 levels, so I'm not down.
The reckoning is may come.
I have 10 emeralds.
Oh man, I'll steal your emeralds. I'll steal all your loot.
Please don't, like,
cry.
actually. I will not record on your series again.
Dang, he's that serious.
I know, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 stacks and 3 iron.
That's too much for me to kill you.
I told you, grab an iron and a oak bye. Ow.
And a oop bye.
I was gonna say, when am I gonna get to a stack on gold? Oh, excuse me.
Dude.
What? I said excuse me.
You're
What are you doing
uncultured.
back here? Oh, I'm sorry. I have a natural gas coming from my stomach to my mouth. My bee. Jesus.
Oh my god, dude, that's just priceless.
Do I have to give you a whole science lesson on burps? Question mark.
If you do, I'm gonna punch you in the nose. I'm gonna be honest with you.
It's not hard to miss.
Oh.
I just roasted myself.
Yes, you did.
I'm upset about that, not gonna lie.
I probably would be too.
When I hurt my own feelings. Oh no.
Bro, your gasp. There's no way. Dude, it glitched out and it sounded like the most unpure little thing I've ever heard.
Oh.
Really? You glitched out and all I heard was like, Bro, I'm not even kidding. I wish I was, like, genuinely, but that's all I heard.
No.
Oh.
More emeralds. Minx talking about impurity. Minx himself.
Stop burning my things.
Can you don't?
And I run into it again. This hurts. I tried putting okay, so you're gonna laugh when you hear this, but
Oh Jesus!
No, you stupid little minecart got away.
Anyways,
So yeah, we're gonna end the episode once we get our body roll off. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah.
Oh, it has been a long day.
It really has. Oh yes, press the windowed key in the middle of your recording.
I have that turned off on my computer.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna just get myself 2 redstone blocks.
Oh,
I
I
don't
didn't
know if
even
I have
realize
enough
that.
gold to do it, but you know.
I have 12 emeralds now. Holy crap. I almost fell into that
Alright,
lava.
whether
I would have been
Here I
upset.
come.
Alrighty,
Wait,
well, thank you guys for watching.
No.
Since it is at 26 minutes. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, consider hitting that like button and consider hitting that subscribe button while you're at it, because I post content like this nearly every 2 days or something like that. I don't really have an upload schedule. I need to work on that. But thank you guys so much for your support recently. It has been very much appreciated. I did not just throw my sword. And, you know, we are at 180 subscribers, and I'm so happy. We are almost to 200. My goal is to hit 200 by the end of this year. And it's December very soon. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.